Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to set up a boot menu on HP ProBook 450 G10 netbook. So stay tuned. First of all, I will need a bootable pen drive and insert into the laptop USB port. Then press power button and pressing F9 for boot menu. After coming this page, you see here boot option, you see the second option. Second is bootable pen drive. Select it and enter. You press next, install, check mark, next, install. We have already created 4 partitions. When I format the C drive, some small drives are automatically created. For example, recovery, restore, system, reserve, and so on. We have to delete this, and remember that if there is any data before deleting the C drives, then we have to backup it. Otherwise, the data will be lost. So remember. So delete all small drives and C drive and format the C drive. After extending the file, the PC will be restored, and you must need to remove the pen drive before restart. If the pen drive is not removed, the Windows installation process will start again. Before installing Windows, be sure to disconnect the Internet cable. This will reduce the installation time by 5 to 7 minutes. Press I don't have internet limit. You put in a username here. No need to set password. Next. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.